Good morning. I'm Mrs. D. Maitra, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce with Information Technology. Now I'm going to discuss the incremental enhancement and its features. So here, incremental enhancement is one of the process where can have a making small and gradual consistent improvement to the existing system, the process or a product, rather than implementing the drastic changes to what at once. So this approach is mainly based on the re-refining the performance or the user experience and addressing the minor inefficiencies through step-by-step modification. So it is one of the software development where it ensures the system evolve smoothly without any disrupting correct functioning of the current data. So it promote very progressive and it have a regular review and optimization. So this approaches encourages any innovation or team to experiment to get a feedback. Through feedback they can have an improvement based on the real world performance. So this aligns the methodologies where we can have a collaboration and customer centered improvement. So it is the useful method for forecasting the sustainable growth and long term success through a continuous learning and improvement. Here the meaning of the incremental enhancement is it is the process of making small and gradual improvement in existing system where we can focus on over time. So it is the major changes are at once. This incremental enhancement focus step by step upgrade for improving the performance and usability or efficiency in maintaining the existing structure. See here we can have a definition. So in this method, the upgrading or enhancing the data based on the quality and system is through manageable, and the updates can be iterated. So each update will have a small measurable value with a cumulative effect for better result. So then this incremental enhancement, we have different features. So these features can be explained one by one. The first one is step-by-step improvement. Here the incremental enhancement is implemented in a phase stage. So in each phase we can add a small and meaningful improvement with the existing data. So through this the tracking process can be adjusted with minimal disruption. The next one is low risk and high control. So since the changes are introducing in a gradual way, we can have any failure or any data corruption in a major error. It can be reduced significantly. So controlling this, we can have a this incremental enhancement can be detected and it can be resolved very easily. The next one is cost effectiveness. Instead of investing a large amount of one time, the organization can spend a little bit budget across the stages. So by spending this amount in a small way, the processes are financial can be manageable. The resource allocation can be very effective because we are going to make a investment in a step-by-step stage. The next one is ease of testing and validation. So each update or incremental can be individually tested and before moving to the next phase. So this will be ensure the high quality control and it make the adjustment whenever they need it. The next one is user friendly and minimum disruption. So the gradual changes will reduce the uh, disturbance in a less way. The staff or any system users can adopt small updates which can be easily and which can be complete in a quick manner. So the user experience can be rated very quickly. The next one is flexibility and adaptability. So this incremental enhancement allow each and every organization to stay in an agile way and they can respond quickly because the changes and the customer feedback based on the marketing trend. So the adjustment can be made at the each and every stage without any restarting the entire process. So this process can be supported. The next one is support continuous improvement culture. So the approach will be promoted with the ongoing innovation and very refinement. The each and every team members are encouraged consistently to work towards the incremental enhancement. The processes can be completed. The next one is scalability. It is one of the modular system which can be scaled very easily, very because the new functionals or any data improvement can be added within over time without any redesigning the entire architecture what is in existing. The next one is data consistency and maintenance. So each and every enhancement is carefully implemented and validated. The consistency can be maintained across the system. So it is mainly referring to the gradual improving in a data set. Then by concluding this incremental enhancement, it is one of the strategic approach where we can have a transformation in the existing data by adopting a new changes in a step by step by effectively. So it is one of the continuous process where we can have quality assurance and we can have a satisfaction of the customer. Each and every industries are involving in a incremental enhancement by developing their competitive and responsive and effectiveness by increasing in a large scale through adding the data wherever they require. Thank you.